watch them all go past, and then we're going to rejoin them a little further on, and it ends up on Bispham Village. And welcome back to a brand new video. So it's a bit of a different video today. So we're in Bispham, and it's a bit of a parade with the older Santa Claus. So he's going to be going through all the different streets, Beaufort Avenue as well, which we saw those wonderful lights. So we're going to have a bit of a look at the what is coming through the streets, and see huge great Santa Claus, or snowman shall I say. Let's have a bit of a look, because they're in for a treat around here. Let's have a quick look. So this is what's going to be going through the streets of Bispham. What a great thing. See, there's Santa, the reindeers, and his sleigh. How about that? There you go. So Santa will be he'll be placed on there when he comes out of his magical place. Let's have a bit of a walk down, because there's all sorts going on, and it's just starting to rain a little bit, so hopefully it won't be too bad. So we're going to capture this all the way, and it's going to end up in Bispham Village. And look at this one. See all the drumsticks and all the goodies. What is on this one? How wonderful is that one? Look at that. So walk down a little further. Certainly a wonderful thing to celebrate. So like I said, we're going to capture this all the way through Bispham and see some of the wonderful houses. So this is setting off about 6:30 this evening. You see the truck as well, all lit up. So, how fantastic. Let's just whip the camera around to the right. I think there's some of them's reversing. And this is, it's not the Christmas Coca-Cola truck, but it looks similar. Wait for this one to get past. And, how fantastic does this look? There we go, all lit up. So yeah, like I said, we're going to keep an eye on this stream of wonderful vehicles and bring it all the way to you to enjoy. And this is starting off Norbreck Road. Like I said, it's going to go all the way, just like a couple of streets off the promenade, and in about sort of 10 minutes we will start to have movement. So let's go right back to the beginning, and again let's have a quick look at the wonderful displays. Look at that one. So the parade is off and running, and we can see there's snow even coming out. So it's a fantastic one, this one. So like I said, we're going to watch them all go past, and then we're going to catch up with them again near Beaufort Avenue. And, absolutely amazing display, this one.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas to you.
You can see there's like snow coming out. Wonderful. Just look at this. Check this out.
Merry Christmas.
Look at that. You can see the snow coming out. Look at that. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Just look at the snow. Wow. It's incredible. Look at that.
Hello now, man.
Just like me snowing. Amazing.
Don't forget as always for Trinity and Brian House, this is our last parade.
See, there's Santa Claus on his sleigh. There he is, giving everybody that cheerful wave.
Don't forget to wave at Santa.
And there's Santa. There he is.
Watch out for that naughty Grinch.
Let's move the camera around to the right. Again, wonderful display so far. We're gonna watch them all go past, and then we're gonna rejoin them a little further on, and it ends up on Bispham Village. And you see, you know how busy it is. Certainly draws the crowds out. This one. And it is for a great cause. Here comes the truck. Look at this one, all lit up, the truck underneath. That's certainly a nice one. And it's just like the Coca-Cola truck, this one. So it's like look at that, more snow being flung out. Look at that, wow. Absolutely stunning. You can see on the ground, it's just like if it's been snowing. Let's have a quick look back. Look at that, amazing. So we just have Beaufort Avenue, I think it's pronounced, in Bispham. And we filmed these wonderful bungalows in a wonderful house. And one of them is a fantastic course for Brian House, which is not this one, it's the one just on the left-hand side. So the parade is going to be coming up this way. So we thought we'd just get ahead of the game and just have a look at some of these wonderful houses. And this one is where they're sponsoring all sorts of collecting for Brian House. So if you want to donate to these, wonderful place. I'll pop the link again in this description of this video. But what a wonderful place, wonderful house, absolutely amazing. So this is a Candy Cane Lane. So we just one but the corner house, and we did film this the other day, but all the Santa Claus and everything wasn't inflated, and you can see now they're all inflated and how magical does this one. So some really nice houses along this stretch, but basically right next to each other. And as the rain pours down, we're bringing you that little bit of warmth with all these wonderful decorations. What we're going to do, we're going to just hang fire and wait for the parade to come up, because I think we can just see it right at the bottom of the street. So we're just going to hang fire and just watch it from here. And here we are again next to those wonderful houses, and this is slowly making its way now all the way to the Bispham Village. And again, fantastic. If you didn't get it the first time, certainly get it the next time.
Them lights look fantastic, guys.
Look at that one.
Are you in competition next door?
All covered in snow, it looks like.
That was shit, man. The next one. The next one? For your house is very good anyway.
See there?
Fantastic.
There's Santa on his sleigh. There he is, giving everyone that special wave. And you see like the snowflakes in the sky. What a wonderful way to display the spirit of Christmas, shall I say. And look at all the little goodies on this one, it's amazing. Got the candy canes, the drumsticks, all the original sweets. Certainly nice one. And you can see, like I said, there's a lot of people out walking with this one and meeting at certain areas. See all the little elves. Look at that! Wow, incredible! There comes like the like I said before, like it's like the Coca-Cola truck. I think there's an elf got lost somewhere. There she goes. There's an elf gone. So we're now just landed at the final spot in Bispham village, and this is where the parade will come to its conclusion, its end. And you can just see, for a small village like Bispham, it's certainly drawn the crowds. And you can see the two wonderful trees we've captured before, all lit up. And like I said, it's certainly, let's have a move the camera onto the left, and you can just see how busy it is. So yeah, I think we'll just we'll hang around for the final parade. But you can see there's so many people out, all ages, just going to enjoy the final glimpse of this fantastic parade tonight. This is just looking down at the, like shall I say, the square, and this is where the parade will end up, behind these like railings. But just look how many people it's drawn out on this wet evening tonight. So yeah, wait for the parade to complete its full circuit before we close this one out. So you can just see it's just pulling in to Bispham Village for this year, for 2024. And we're going to have see if we can get a little look a little bit closer, but yeah, this is the ending point for the parade for 2024, and what a wonderful display they've put on. I'm not sure if we get a copyright strike for this one, because they're certainly playing the music, but nevertheless, what a wonderful parade. Amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this bit of a video, but what a great parade, as I said. And if you like it and other videos we do, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, Any comments, I will try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And until next time, take care of yourselves, and it is a bye from me. Bye bye.